Hello and welcome back to Legal Information, Law Insights. I'm Advocate Mukund Mahajan, and today, we'll be discussing an essential piece of legislation, the Domestic Violence Act 2005, which provides crucial protections for women in India. Domestic violence remains one of the most pressing issues in India, and the legal framework to protect women from such abuse is extremely important. The Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 was enacted with the aim of providing immediate relief to women suffering from physical, emotional, sexual, and economic abuse within their homes. But how does this law work in practice? Let's take a look. Now, let's break down the key provisions of the Domestic Violence Act 2005. These provisions aim to offer both immediate and long-term protection to women. First, let's talk about the definition of domestic violence. The Act defines domestic violence as any act, omission, or commission that harms or injures a woman's physical, mental, or emotional well-being. This includes not only physical abuse but also emotional or psychological harm, sexual abuse, and even economic abuse where the woman is financially controlled or isolated by her partner. Next, the Act allows for protection orders. A woman who is facing domestic violence can approach the court to seek a protection order. This is a legal mandate that prohibits the abuser from continuing the violence or harassment. It can include restrictions like not approaching the woman, not contacting her, and not coming near her residence or workplace. The third provision is about residence orders. One of the most significant aspects of the Domestic Violence Act is that it ensures that a woman has the right to live in her marital or shared household, even if she doesn't own the property. This provision prevents the abuser from forcing the woman to leave her home, ensuring her right to a safe and secure living space. Fourth, we have monetary relief. In cases of domestic violence, the court has the power to grant financial support to the woman. This could include maintenance, medical expenses, and compensation for any losses she has suffered due to the violence. The aim is to ensure that the woman does not suffer financial instability because of the abuse. The fifth provision is about custody orders. In the unfortunate situation where children are involved, the Act allows the court to pass custody orders in favor of the woman or the children, depending on what is in their best interests. The safety and welfare of the children are paramount in such cases. Now, let's discuss how to file a complaint under this Act. If you or someone you know is a victim of domestic violence, it's important to know the steps to seek help. A woman can approach the police, a protection officer, or a service provider to file a complaint. Once a complaint is filed, immediate action can be taken by the police or protection officer. This can include lodging an FIR or arranging shelter, medical assistance, and legal aid for the woman. Let's quickly recap the 5 key provisions that we discussed today. 1. Definition of domestic violence, including physical, emotional, sexual, and economic abuse. 2. Protection orders, legal measures to prevent further abuse. 3. Residence orders, ensuring the woman's right to remain in her marital or shared home. 4. Monetary reliefs, financial support including maintenance and compensation. 5. Custody orders, protection and custody of children based on their welfare. These provisions form the backbone of the Domestic Violence Act 2005, ensuring that women have access to legal remedies and protection in the face of domestic abuse. In conclusion, the Domestic Violence Act 2005 is a vital tool for ensuring women's safety and well-being within their homes. It is important to remember that domestic violence is a grave violation of a woman's rights, and the law provides several avenues for relief. If you or someone you know is facing domestic violence, it is essential to seek help immediately. Legal protections exist to safeguard your rights and well-being, and no one should have to endure such abuse in silence. Friends, thank you for watching this video on the Domestic Violence Act 2005. Stay safe, and remember that help is just a call away. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel for more legal insights. Let me know in the comments if there are specific topics related to civil law or any other area of law you'd like me to cover. Feel free to drop your questions in the comments below. I would be happy to answer them. Stay informed, stay empowered, and I will see you in the next video soon.